Hi, this is Adam with Simple IT. This video is to demonstrate how to install Teamviewer using Google Chrome. First, let's open Google Chrome. Left click up in the location bar, type in www.teamviewer.com. Left click the green download for free button. In Google Chrome, the download will take place in the lower left hand corner along the bottom bar. I'm going to pause the video while that finishes. Okay, once Teamviewer has finished downloading, just left click on it. You can close out of Google Chrome. The Teamviewer setup window will come up. We'll leave it at default installation. We'll select personal, non-commercial use. Left click accept finish. When the user account control window comes up, just click yes. Once the Teamviewer is finished installing, you'll have it open. There'll be an ID and a password that you'll give to whomever you're working with, and they'll be able to remote in. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is you do need to keep the Teamviewer window open in order for this person to remote into the computer. Alright, and here we are. It will open a window into a web browser after, just X out. And as we said, the ID and password is what you need to give to the person you're working with. Again, my name is Adam with Simple IT. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below.